not too heavy to lift. Started with Mini 4 Pro, it felt like a gift. With Air 3S, I thought it was a go, but then came Mini 5 Pro and Neo 2. Oh, what a show. Drones have given me perspectives not normally seen, taking me places I never dreamt could be. Getting to see sunsets that blow my mind, a great way for me to unwind in the sky where dreams unfold. With every flight, a story told. From mountains high to valleys wide, with my gear I take the ride. Cloud formations, waterfalls, and small details, nothing is missed, every moment unveils. All seasons are unique in a sight to behold. In winter treading through deep snow, the beauty unfolds. Getting followed by a drone, both skiing and walking without a moan, just the thrill of flying. Spring and fall with their unique signs, worth capturing like the finest wines in the sky where dreams unfold. With every flight, a story told. From mountains high to valleys wide, with my gear I take the ride. Deep in the forest or up on mountain hills, views that give you the chills. A drone was taken by a bird of prey, but luckily it didn't fly away. Crashed in a power line, but still kept it high. With a little wine, my spirit would fly. Near disaster at a follow chase, too tight airspace, but no crash took place. That's just part of the race. Do not forget my camera's EOS R in hand. Action 6, pocket 4, capturing all I planned. Osmo 360 vision, with precision I stand. Documenting this journey, my hobby so great. In the sky where dreams unfold. With every flight, a story told. From mountains high to valleys wide, with my gear I take the ride. I could hardly have a better I rise and roam. With my cameras close, I feel at home. Nature's canvas framed by my hand, moments eternal like grains of sand. Both summer and winter, I'm lost for words, still flying high with my drone birds. Lakes and sea is where I want to be, finding beauty in every motif I see. Catch it or let it forever be. The stories unfold just like the sea. From dawn till dusk, life's a perfect blend. With a click of my lens, the magic won't end. Fog moving fast is always fun to attend. Each glimpse reveals what the heart must defend. Chasing shadows 'neath the trees so tall, documenting life, the rise and the fall. Day or night, there's always a scene in the quiet moments where I dare to dream. Catch it or let it forever be. The stories unfold just like the sea. From dawn till dusk, life's a perfect blend. With a click of my lens, the magic won't end. Every snapshot taken, every flight of my drone captures fleeting moments that feel like home. Through the lens I wonder where my heart can end. In this timeless dance I feel no end. The world is a palette, each hue I embrace. With my passion for art, I find my place. Through valleys and peaks, every twist in the road, each time I capture a treasure bestowed. Catch it or let it forever be. The stories unfold just like the sea. From dawn till dusk, life's a perfect blend. With a click of my lens, the magic won't end. So here I stand, with my heart in hand. With cameras and drones, I fully understand. Life's moments are fleeting, yet so divine. In this ongoing journey